So once again, reprimed with high build primer. Did the block sanding, and I think I got it as straight as I can get it. That's the block sanding, and then I reprimed it. So that it's all uniform in color. Tail panel came out sweet. It's nicely blended. I'm really happy with the blending on that. Came out really nice. Here's the other quarter panel. Really, really nice. And then over here, you'll see like a halo. I had to do some blending here. There was this little run, so I sanded it down with the dry. Since this primer dries in about an hour and a half to 2 hours, so sanded it down smooth and then reprimed it really quick, just to bring up the build. It's going to be wet sanded anyway, so I'm not worried about that. All that will be blended in. Here's the roof. See what the texture looks like. And it's pretty much throughout the car. So I'm hoping this is the final. Now I'm going to be wet sanding the car. And hopefully in preparation for the final paint. So yeah, I also did the rear bumper holding area, that area there. I decided to go ahead and paint it with the last bit of primer I had left. And that's pretty much it. That's Nova. Hopefully this is the final prime. Time for wet sanding. And hopefully I can get to work on the other parts, like the two doors, the deck lid, and all the front area. The front fenders, the inner fenders, radiator support. Yeah, get that done and ready. And then here's a door that I have to work on. The radiator support's here. The other door is in there someplace. But hopefully we can get it all prepped. So I can put it together. Hope you enjoyed.